Fun Fit Foodies, it's that time again, trick or treat, and I'm not giving out any tricks, only treats. Look at this Mother Nature's candy, all right? Come on now. And yes, I'm wearing my cafeteria lady gloves. I like to keep my food real clean, literally. We got in here some beets, just beat it. Look at these gorgeous, deep, blood red beets. Wahahaha, like Dracula's even jealous. All right, look, I smashed up these beautiful plums, took out the seeds. These are ready to go in the mega juicer. Even jack-o'-lantern is happy about it. Come here, my pretty. Let me give you an apple to sleep long time. And look at these cherry tomatoes. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Look, this little ghost can't wait. He's got his mouth wide open. These little fruits are going into this haunted house, so these fruits can get in my body. Juice is loose.